Hello, my name is Rokli Kiran Ashok from Nagar. Today's date is 3 August 2021. Our today's Viva topic is what is linked list and array list and its methods. So we have discussed about the linked list and array list before we are going to the data types. So there are two types of data types like primitive data types, non-primitive data types. And the non-primitive data types includes in array, string, structure, union. But structure union is not part of Java. It is not support in Java. So we have discussed about the firstly array list. So array list means it is the implementation suppose we have create the array list. Suppose elements are like 1 2 3 4 5 6, and in that array list is we have create the array list, and we have uh, we have we have fixed to size. Suppose your size is fixed, suppose 5. So array list is array list suppose 1 2 3 4 array list elements like 1 2 3 4 5. And there are some importance points regarding to array list. First of all, it contains to insertion order, and it is not synchronized. And then array list is access to anywhere elements in array list. Suppose we have created the array list like elements 1 to 10, and we have access to ninth index elements. So it easily access to ninth index elements by using array list. And then there are various types of methods in array list. Suppose first of all, to add method. To add methods, in this method, to adding the some elements in your array list. And the second method is second method is to array list to add all means in these methods we have adding the some multiple elements in your array list. Suppose we have created the array list 1 to 10 elements, and in that case we have adding the elements like 11 12 13. It's mainly using add all methods in array list. So next upon array list clone methods. In that methods we have create the shallow copy of array list. In this including in this method, it is a clone methods. And the next upon to set to get methods, array list to get methods. In that methods we have getting the elements from your array list, and getting the elements from your array list. And the next method is set methods, array list to set methods. In this method we have set the elements from your array list. Suppose array list 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and we have set the six index elements in this set methods. And next upon to content method, array list to content methods. In these methods we have checking the your array list, and in that suppose there are various elements like 1 to 10, and we have actual searching in your element index position in this method, including content methods. And then next upon the next upon array list to replace methods. In this method we have suppose we have create the array list, and array list suppose one like elements 1 to 10, and in that method we have replaced to all elements in your array list. It is the main function. It is mainly using replace methods. And replace method, we have replace method using remove the single elements. And next method is remove all methods. In this method we have remove the array list for multiple elements in your remove the array list. It is using remove all methods. And then next upon replace methods, array list to replace methods. In this method we have replaced to the array list. Suppose we have created the array list 1 to 10 elements. and we have replaced suppose two index positions, suppose three elements, and three elements is replaced to fourth position. In that case its position will be changed to 3 to 4, and shifting the elements occurs. And then next method is to to replace to remove if methods. And in that method we have create the array list, and suppose we have removed the specific elements, like in array list, suppose we have removed the 5 elements. In that case we have replaced the 5, we have removed the 5 elements, remove the 5 elements, we have not in that position we have complete the your condition is satisfied, and then we have replaced and we have remove the from array list. The next method is of array list is to in size methods. So in that method we have written the length of array list, in that method we have include the in size methods. And then next upon to array list trim methods. In that case we have removing the first part and starting point and last point. We have remove the elements from your array list. It is a method of trim method in array list. And then next upon array list to remove methods. So in that method, so we have create the array list, remove the 6 element in your array list by using remove methods. So there are various types of methods are including array list. So next we are going to the linked list. So what is mean by linked list? So linked list is there are two types of linked list: single linked list and doubly linked list. So we have using doubly linked list, we have at a time to adding the elements and removing the elements from both side. We are using the doubly linked list. And there are some important points regarding to linked list. Suppose it is contained in insertion order. It is not a synchronized. It is a manipulation process is faster than as compared to array index, because of it is not shifting required in linked list as compared to array list. Array list is required to shifting the elements in your array list. Suppose we are creating the new elements in our array list. In that case we are shifting the element and shifting the your element position. And then array list there are some types of methods as same as like a array list methods. So there are various types of methods like add methods. So we have discussed about in these methods. We are adding the elements in your linked list, but shifting is not your linked list shifting is not mandatory. Shifting is not required. It is automatically. Suppose we are shifting the element number 1 and index position is 2. So in that case we have include and we are adding the elements, suppose 3 at index the position number 2. So in that case you are adding the index position number is 3 and 2 is a number of position, 2 is a number to index position shifting to 3, automatically shifting. So it is not required to shifting. And there are various types of methods. Suppose like add method, add all methods, contain method, and to replace method, to remove methods, to trim methods, to in size methods. So there are various types of methods as like array list. So linked list is mostly using doubly linked list are mostly using, because doubly linked list are using we have create you are adding elements and removing elements by both side. It usually using doubly linked list. And doubly linked list is denoted to add up as a added to pointer as well as your address. So it is a linked list and or array list. So it is a linked list and array list. It is advanced version of array list is an advanced version of array list. So it is a not fixed size in array list, and not a fixed size in array list, but not fixed size in array list. And the linked list, we have adding and subtracting elements easily by using linked list. So it is all over about the linked list and array list in Java. So thank you so much.